Nature of administrative law. Administrative law is dynamic, evolving with the growth of the welfare state. Its nature lies in being a branch of public law that governs the organization, powers, duties, and functions of the executive branch and administrative agencies. It acts as a legal framework to ensure that government authorities exercise their power fairly, responsibly, and within legal boundaries. The nature of administrative law can be understood through the following key characteristics. Judge-made law. Unlike criminal or civil law, administrative law is largely uncodified. It has evolved primarily through judicial decisions, writs, and interpretations, dynamic and ever-evolving. Unlike codified criminal or civil law, administrative law develops continuously through statutes, delegated legislation, and judicial decisions. Branch of public law. It deals directly with the relationship between the state, administration, and the private individuals or entities rather than private disputes between individuals. Procedural and remedial in character. It focuses on how decisions are made, how powers are exercised, whether following procedure, fairness, principles of natural justice or not, rather than the content of those decisions and what remedies, writs, injunctions, are available against misuse. Instrument of control. Its central purpose is not to restrict administration from functioning, but to prevent arbitrary exercise of administrative discretion. Its main purpose is not to grant power, but to limit and control administrative discretion to prevent public authorities from acting arbitrarily or abusing their power. Instrument of the welfare state. As modern governments have shifted from a laissez-faire police state to a social welfare state, focusing on areas such as healthcare, education, and environmental safety, administrative law has expanded to regulate and oversee the countless daily decisions made by welfare agencies, subordinate to constitutional law. While constitutional law sets the framework, administrative law governs day-to-day functioning of authorities. While constitutional law deals with the broader structure of the state, legislature, judiciary, and executive, at a macro level, administrative law focuses on the micro level, the day-to-day operations and procedures of executive officials. Remedial character. Offers remedies like judicial review, writs, and tribunal appeals to protect citizens' rights.